Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to enable YouTube live streaming. So head over to youtube.com, and once you are in YouTube, we're going to come here to this create button, and we're going to attempt to go live because we have never requested access to go live. We have to request it for a first time, and this will take up to 24 hours. So we click request. Now, in order for us to be eligible for live streaming, we have to verify our phone number. So come here and hit verify. Now we're going to type our phone number. In my case, I live in the United States, and I have a US phone number. Now I just have to add the verification code once I get it. 263 764. And now my phone number is verified. So that's all it takes to actually get your phone number verified and actually request access to streaming. But once you verify your phone number, you should come back here and make sure this happens. See? So I have 24 hours before I can do my first live stream. Now, there are no requirements when it comes to subscribers if you do a live video from a computer. But if you want to do live videos from a phone, you need to have 50 subscribers. And here's the actual requirements. You need to have at least 50 subscribers, no live streaming restrictions in the last 90 days. You have to verify your channel, and that's what we just did with phone number, and then enable it, turn it on. That's what we just did when we requested access for the live stream, and you have to wait the 24 hours. So that is done as far as enabling going live. Now I'm going to show you another setting that you should do. Let's go back to YouTube. Then come to your profile image, view your channel, then come here to customize channel. On the bottom left, see settings, click on settings, come here to channel, and come here to feature eligibility. This is where that setting is. This is where you verify your phone so that you're able to do live streaming. Now there's another advanced features section, and in order to be eligible for this, you have to verify via a valid ID or video or channel history. Typically I just do the channel history, but this may take up to 2 months, and you have to be uploading videos so that YouTube monitors your content and make sure you have a legit channel. So in my case, I just want to tell YouTube, just verify my channel based on my own channel's history. If you want to do the ID to get it done quickly, you can do that, but I prefer to build my channel history and let YouTube decide later. But having your photo ID is an option. Now, if you're 16 and under, I don't think YouTube allows you to do the video streaming or any of these settings, so you may want your parent to be setting this channel up for you. So see, your channel history is being established. So now YouTube is going to be monitoring your account for 2 months. And another setting I want you to do here is, because your content will not be targeting kids, just select no here. And now every time you load a video, this will be automatically set for you. If you set this to yes, it's very hard to have videos show up on a kid's channel. So just make sure you hit no. Once you go yes and you go back, your video will be pretty much dead. So just follow this advice. Just select this no and hit save. And well, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you how to enable going live on YouTube, and how to request access, and how to actually verify your number so that you can do a live video on YouTube. And remember, for phone live videos you need 50 subscribers.